Good morning, everybody, and welcome to my channel. My name is Jakub Vaniš, and I'm gonna be talking about Neuralink. So, Neuralink is one of the companies that is owned by Elon Musk. I believe he's the CEO there as well. However, basically, what he aims to do with that company is to connect people's brains with technology. The whole prospect of us using our two thumbs, as an intersection between us and technology, to type in whatever input you want on your phone is quite limited by the speed and by these two thumbs, right? And the agility of those two thumbs. So that's why Elon Musk has decided that we need a faster connection, immediate connection, just so you can just think about something and immediately, make an action. And I think they have a long plan of a roadmap, of the products that they will be unveiling and testing. They've already started testing, first trials with animals, especially with monkeys or chimpanzees, and also with pigs, and they were all very successful. But now we had a breakthrough. Now they hit a milestone. They had the first human trial. And needless to say, it was a huge success because the guy not only is absolutely fine, he didn't suffer, any concussion or any issues during the surgery, but he came out being extremely happy about how, this elevates his skills and opportunities. His name is Nolan Arboth, I believe, and so what they installed for him is like the first version of the chip, and the product is called Telepathy. It's not really telepathy that he would be able to move objects around his surroundings, but what he can do is interact with computers and a phone, etc. So they demonstrated, him playing online chess or typing on a keyboard just with his mind, which is mind-blowing. Nolan, I believe, was in an accident, and therefore he's paralyzed from neck to bottom. So unfortunately, he's only mobile with his head, and that's it. That's how immobilized he unfortunately is. And this gives him a lot of opportunities to interact, especially with the digital world and with social media and with anything computers. And nowadays, almost all of our interaction with people are also going through various computer screens. So this is enabling him to do quite a lot of things. So he came out being very happy, and I'm pretty sure Neuralink will be testing and implementing this to many other patients. And eventually what they aim to do with this, so with this telepathy skill, is to kind of bypass the broken, let's say, links in your spinal cord to send signals directly to the muscles. So even paralyzed people like Nolan could potentially, walk again and move their muscles again and move their arms. That would be absolutely mind-blowing. Another, let's say, product that Neuralink has in store for us, or not for us, but for the potential patients, is called BLINDSIGHT. And that would allow people that are blind to see again. And that's just such a miracle, right? That would be incredible. And they want to start with the people that were born blind. So imagine, these people cannot even imagine how the world looks like around them. And now you would give them the opportunity to see for the very first time. And that's beautiful. And you can say whatever you want about Elon Musk. Of course, unfortunately, these days, and especially the last few years, he became more and more political and almost radicalized in a way. However, his endeavors in the field of tech and science are, second to none, right? Like he's probably the biggest inventor, or the guy that pushes the envelope by far the most in the whole humanity in a very long time, right? SpaceX, Tesla, Neuralink. Okay, he was one of the founders of OpenAI as well. There's a lot going on, and I'm so glad that we have him, even though I don't, of course, agree with all of his opinions. So this has been a video about Neuralink. Let me know what you think about it, or if you have any questions in the comments. Leave a like if you'd like to, and subscribe if you're not. Of course, my name is Jakub Vaniš, and thanks a lot for watching. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.